Okay, I'm recording this second time. I hope my microphone will work well. The last couple of years I have noticed some situations that happened in tech industries. That is, people are more aware of that changing hardware, particularly several years old phone, it doesn't matter anymore. And today I want to show you some arguments for that topic. Year after year there are some minor changes like slightly better camera or bigger battery, better CPU performance, and you get it for a new full price. If you have, for example, a 1-year-old phone, in most cases you don't need to change it unless you really want it and you have money for that. Even phones like 4 or 5 years old and you use it for normal things like calling or messaging, watching videos sometimes, it's still fine. You can search for better options if you really need, for example, a better camera or battery. Okay, second argument, and this is something that very touched me. This is OS updates and AI everywhere. Now, if you have a new phone or if you have 2 years old phone, you get update and you see, of course, AI. Google doesn't ask you about it, whether you want it or not. You just get it by default. Big tech showcases AI like something that instantly help our lives, but I think it will make it even worse. If it still will work as it is right now, people will more complain about it and skip it that they teach LLMs on our data. Only one option that I found that is installing Graphene OS, but you need Pixel phones from Google or wait until Motorola new phones next year. And third, companies don't make some niche features. In some extent. Once very well-known companies like LG or Asus left the market. If even hardware companies decide smartphones aren't worth the fight anymore, what does that say about how similar and saturated this market has become? If you care about niche features, compact size, real headphone jack, unlockable bootloaders, the era of new phones bring new choices is ending. In many cases, the old phones are actually better aligned with what you want. To end up this video not only with bad news about phones, good thing, at least for me, is that companies make more phones that get up to 7 years of OS and security updates on some models. And here are my points when you can consider change your phone. Lack of security updates for your model, hardware failure like storage issue, weak camera quality, newness features, moving from very old phone to get some new features if you want it. And if you have your own opinion about this topic, let me know in the comments below, and until next time.